Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says, write the equation of the line in standard form. And the equation says y equals 2x plus 3, and this is in slope-intercept form. And I want to write the equation in standard form, ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, and a is positive. So I notice that the y term is on the left side, and that's on the correct side, but the x term is not. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2x from both sides. So on the left side, I would have negative 2x plus y equals, on the right side, 2x minus 2x is 0, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So now all of my terms are in the correct position. However, the a coefficient is negative. So I can either multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide both sides by negative 1. But the result is all of the signs, the negative on the 2, the positive on the y, and the positive on the 3, will flip. And so in standard form, my equation would say 2x minus y equals negative 3.